So that is the big news that's coming in. Sanjay Dutt's conviction upheld in the 1993 Bombay serial blast case. He will be sentenced to 5 years in jail. Arunima, can he still appeal, or is this a final verdict?
Well, there is no appeal after that. What we have to consider is that Harish Salve, Sanjay Dutt's defense lawyer, in fact, had made two contradictory submissions before the Supreme Court. The first submission was that he be acquitted of all the Arms Act charges, since he said that the confession based on which the Tada court has held him guilty under the Arms Act was a confession which was valid only under the Tada Act, and therefore it cannot be used as an evidence under any other law. Obviously, that plea has been rejected by the Supreme Court. Sanjay Dutt has been given 5-year sentence. The other plea that Harish Salve made on Sanjay Dutt's behalf was that if the court deems it fit that he cannot be acquitted, then at least he be allowed to walk out on parole. We're just waiting for our correspondent Ashok Bagaria to come and update us as to what is it that Supreme Court has said about that second submission. Will Sanjay Dutt get that view from Supreme Court that because of his good conduct and because of the way he has behaved while he was in jail, he can be given the benefit to be out on parole even though he has been convicted? What we know for sure right now is that 5 years jail term has been awarded to Sanjay Dutt under Arms Act. We are just waiting for Ashok Bagaria who's here with us. Ashok, if you can tell us what really has the court said vis-a-vis Sanjay Dutt's other appeal that he, if convicted, be allowed to go out on parole?
As far as Sanjay Dutt is concerned, the most important thing that has emerged is that Sanjay Dutt's conviction has been upheld, number one, but his sentence has been reduced from 6 years to 5 years. So in a sense, now Sanjay Dutt will have to surrender before the Bombay court and serve out the rest of the sentence. Now during the course of the argument, Sanjay Dutt's counsel had made a prayer that he be released on probation, considering his conduct in the past and his association with various charitable institutions. But the Supreme Court was not impressed with this and said that seeing the gravity of the crime which has been committed, he cannot be released on probation. But they said that we are reducing the sentence to the minimum, which is 5 years.
So does that mean this is the end of the road for Munna Bhai? He will now have to go out and serve out his sentence in jail?
Well, at the moment it does mean that it's the end of the road, but technically speaking he still has a review petition which can be filed before the same bench. The same bench will once again consider his case on merits, but yes, in a sense it's the end of the road for him. He will have to once again go to the jail, serve out rest of the period, because till now Sanjay Dutt has served 18 months in jail. He still has the rest of the sentence will have to be spent by Sanjay Dutt behind bars.
So a little over 3 years is what he'll have to spend out. What is the legal process now? How soon will he get into custody?
We'll have to really read the fine print. We couldn't read the fine print of the judgment, but from what it appears that the moment that as far as other accused are concerned, other accused who are on bail, the court has given them 4 weeks time to surrender. So I presume at the moment it's just based on presumption that within 4 weeks Sanjay Dutt will also have to surrender before the Bombay court and serve out rest of his sentence.
So 4 weeks is the time that perhaps Sanjay Dutt has, Palki?
Sanjay Dutt's lawyer Satish Manchande also making a statement. I'm told we are going to go to him in fact.
Of Sanjay Dutt as well as co-accused. Therefore, there was no tangible evidence. One of the arguments that we placed before the Supreme Court was that the judgment, the confession, which was recorded by the CBI and the Bombay police, should not be relied upon because he has not been convicted under the Tada. And that offence was never made out. Therefore, it was totally inadmissible. But the law as it stands today in Rajiv Gandhi's case, in spite of the fact that the judgment said that no offences were made out under the Tada and Rajiv Gandhi's case against those accused, they still used the confession which was recorded under the Tada.
What happens now?
We'll await a copy of the judgment of the Supreme Court. It has been delivered just now and should be available by this evening. And once that is available, we'll advise Sanjay Dutt as to how to go about. And it's unfortunate that this has happened, but he will abide by the directions of the Supreme Court.
तो देखा जाए तो इस तरह की जजमेंट को देख के आप किस तरह से, आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या है, आप किस तरह से?
मेरा रिएक्शन यही है कि जो भी हमने सुप्रीम कोर्ट और टाटा कोर्ट के सामने कंटेंशन की थी वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुई है, और जो भी जजमेंट हो हम उसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे और मान्य दे के हम जो भी पनिशमेंट है उसको अंडरगो करेंगे.
But is there any kind of relief that he can still get? I mean, you know, after Supreme Court
he will see the judgment of the Supreme Court in letter and spirit. We will not be able to say anything what relief Sanjay Dutt can claim henceforth. But as the law stands, he will have to go a minimum sentence of 5 years.
सर पिछले दौरान जो 18 महीने हो चुके हैं, अब कितने महीने कुल मिला के किस तरह
3.5 साल उसको और भुगतना पड़ेगा.
जी.
और इसीलिए हमने उसको पहले दिन से ही उसको प्रिपेयर किया है. और कल रात को भी हमारी बातचीत हुई है. एंड ही हैड मीटिंग विद हिज lawyers and we advised him, I have advised him that whatever be the judgment of the Supreme Court, we will abide by it, letter and spirit.
Did you speak to him now? What was his reaction?
Well, I have not been able to speak to him just now, but I will be with him shortly, and hopefully we'll see how to go about
Did
it.
he seem any?
And even when he was convicted by the Tata court, he accepted the judgment and did not utter a word. And he kept to himself, and I'm sure Sanjay Dutt is a strong man and he'll fight back in the country.